How much improvement you felt?
Nick, I feel lot.
How much?
I can say 70%.
Done.